Hi friends, welcome back to our fun learning time. So we are going to explore something super cool.
We are going to learn about adverbial phrases. We learn some lessons like what are adverbs, what are adverbial phrases, frontal adverbial and commas, adverbial quiz and summary. Learning outcomes. First, learn about adverbial phrases and their different types: time, place, manners, frequency, and reason. Second, use frontal adverbials with commas at the beginning of sentences. Third, use adverbs and adverbial phrases to provide vivid detail in writing. So, next is adverbs recap. Adverbs are words that describe action and they often end in "ly". The girl danced gracefully. Gracefully is the adverb because it tells us how the girl danced. Here are some common adverbs. Can you think for more? Like slowly, rarely, loudly, often, quickly, soon, softly, always, happily, never. Think about it. What is your favorite hobby or after school activity? Write a sentence about it and we will return to this sentences and try to make it even more interesting soon. Discovering adverbial phrases. Adverbial phrases add detail to our actions, making our sentences more engaging. They provide additional information about when, where, or how something happens. Adverbials can be grouped into different categories. Example, I eat. Adverbials of place, I eat at the kitchen table. Adverbials of time, I eat every evening. Adverbials of manner, I eat in a messy way. Adverbials reason, I eat because I am hungry. Adverbial of frequency, I eat 3 times a day. Adverbial phrases can explain the time or place in a sentence. Time, we went for a walk during the afternoon. Place, there was activity in the bustling city. Time, she practices the piano every evening without fail. Place, the children found shade under the branches of the tree. Time, we went outside to play after the rain stopped completely. Place, the view was breathtaking at the top of the mountain. Adverbial phrases can describe manner, reason, frequency. Manner, answer how it is done. The man spoke angrily. Quietly, the dog went to sleep. Carefully, the girl opened the box. Second is reason, answer why. James went to the doctor because he was feeling ill. Brownie went to the shops to buy dinner. She did her homework so she could go out. Next, frequency. Answers how often. I always eat my vegetables. Twice a week, I ride my bike home from school. Every Sunday, we have a roast for lunch. Mastering frontal adverbials and commas. Frontal adverbials are placed at the beginning of a sentences and separated from the main clause by a comma. Using commas after frontal adverbials phrases. Below are different frontal adverbials phrases we can use to enhance the sample sentence. Can you see how the commas are used? Example, I drew a car. Time, yesterday I drew a car. Place, in the art studio I drew a car. Manner: carefully I drew a car. Reason: because I love cars, I drew a car. Frequency: every art class, I draw a car. Crafting sentences with flair. Let's enhance the sentence about your favorite hobby by using adverbial phrases. First, give your sentence a boost by including two different adverbial phrases. Second, share with a partner and see if you can come up with a different adverbial phrases to use in their sentence. Example: I play football. Adverbial phrase: I play football every Saturday afternoon. Frontal adverbial phrase: in the park, I play football. Test your knowledge of adverbials. Identify and recognize type of adverbial phrases in the sentence. In the next few slides, get your thinking caps on and good luck. Question 1. Identify the adverbial phrase in the sentence. The students eagerly completed their homework after school. After school. Yes, it is the correct answer. Question 2. Choose the correct adverbial phrase for time. She visits her grandparents the holidays. During. Yes, the answer is during. Question 3. In the sentence, slowly the leaves fell from the trees. What type of adverbial phrase is used? Yeah, manner. Manner is the correct answer. Question 4. Which sentence contains a fronted adverbial phrase? Yes, the correct answer is later that day they played football. Congratulations, you have finished the quiz. Summary: adverbs are words that describe a verb, adjective, or another adverb. They usually end in "ly". For example, he sang beautifully. Adverbial phrases can be placed at the start or end of a sentence. A comma is needed after frontal adverbial phrases that occur at the start. Adverbial phrases give us more information by answering questions such as where, when, how, why, how often. Adverb adventure story. Get ready for a thrilling adventure. Create an exciting short story that is 5 to 6 sentences long. Incorporate different type of adverbs and adverbial phrases indicating like time, place, manner, frequency, reason. Here is a short story in which adverbial phrases have been used. You can read it and understand it.
I hope you enjoyed and understand that how to use adverbial phrases. If you like this video, please subscribe to our channel for more such videos.